having a little more than 15,000 XRP will completely change your financial future. And in today's video, I'm going to talk more about this subject and really show you why that number is so important and why you should set your sights on getting it if you want to change your financial future for good, or your friends or family, that person you're really working hard for. I'm also going to talk about some other really cool things in today's movie, like how Gary Gensler got totally roasted, which made me laugh so hard. Yes, we will talk about XRP in this movie. To make sure everyone sees this, just hit the like button. Now let's start. Which is why we're going to start with this video of Gary Gensler being grilled. A lot of smiles came to my face because of it. I hope it means a lot to you. Take a listen to this great clip. Is Ethereum now a risky thing? We had this, I heard what you said. Since 2015 they've been there. You've said that the market is clear and that the rules are easy to understand. Feel free to come in. You don't even know the question. Do you think XRP is a trust? We're in court having talks in a lawsuit about that. You're being sued because you did say it was a security. You already know. Yes, indeed. I love how he can never give a straight answer to a question. Just a quick note to tell you that Gary Gensler is not one of our friends and is a total loser. In other news, I'd like to point out that XRP has this crazy wedge coming up that has been in the works for 7 years. Just look at this, guys. It took 7 years to make. This has been the case since the peak in 2018. Okay, and it looks like this wedge will come together in early 2025. It could be January or February, but this is when the full fireworks show starts. However, guys, if you look at this wedge, you will see that we do need a small pullback before that happens. Because of this, I have started a short position in XRP for the short term, and it is already 7% profitable after yesterday's huge jump. Plus, I believe you should do the same thing if you want to make money. In addition, you will get XRP if you sign up and use Margex to make this short trade with me 5x leverage. Also, if you use my link to sign up for Margex, the cryptocurrency exchange we work with, and trade, you'll be entered into this prize pool worth almost $19,000. It's a close race, I have to say. This competition is coming to an end in 2 days, and right now there are 4 or 5 guys fighting for 5th place. The person in 1st place made $51 million in trades. Completely crazy. He's going to walk away with 30% of this prize pool. To get a piece of this, all you have to do is trade on my exchange. Now, I know from the last few days that you guys are more than capable of trading $5 million worth of goods, so throw away 10% of this prize pool right away. In other words, that's $2,000 in XRP going straight to you. It's likely that some of you could do 10 million. Just use my link to sign up and trade. And guess what? You guys can also be in the next challenge, which will be in October. You might as well sign up, get your money ready for March X, and start this short trade like I am. Because that is once again a huge chance with 5x advantage. Anyway, I'm already 10% ahead, and it's likely to be a lot more soon. Really happy about that. But guys, let's get right to the point of today's show, shall we? Why will having 15,000 or more XRP change your financial future for good? That's the question for today. This is the number I just now got because of a very important investment rule. That's the 30 to 70 rule, right? If you plan to keep an object for a long time, more than 5 to 10 years, here are some general rules to keep in mind. You should always be ready to give up at least 30% of your stock. That means 30% of 15,000 is about 5,000 XRP. During this bull run, that 5,000 XRP number will make you a huge amount of money that will change your life. I'm sure a lot of you are thinking how this will change my life, the lives of my family, the lives of my family, the lives of... Of course, that's a great question, and it's me. You already know this, but just in case XRP does go to $10 per token based on what I'm seeing, I think this is kind of like the base case at the height of this bull run. Isn't that a lot of money? This time it's about $50,000. Just to be clear, I do believe it's possible for XRP to go above that level. During this bull run, XRP could go as high as $25 per coin. If that happens, you'll have made hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's possible to make $1 million this bull run if you have enough XRP. I also agree with the 30 to 70 rule. If you have more than 15,000 XRP during this bull run, you should sell them for a lot more. Personally, I have a lot more than 15,000 XRP, and during the peak of this bull run, when we're hitting those all-time high numbers, I'm ready to part with actually 70% of my total XRP bag. If we reach those numbers, I'll be able to actually take care of myself and my family for the rest of our lives, right? I think that's what's going on here. We're talking about making millions of bucks. I mean, that's because, as we saw in 2018, 2017, we have institutions that are going to enter the area. We'll have a liquidity crunch, which means that companies won't be able to buy from many people. This will lead to a huge squeeze. The same thing happened in 2017 and 2018. Guys, this is exactly what took place. There wasn't any XRP for institutions that wanted to buy, and we came out with a lot of goods, right, during this time frame. Do you know what that is? I mean, it should, since that's what's happening at the moment, right? We have the SafeCoin USD. There are like 11,000 different organizations that have said they want to work with us. We're taking away some of the Swiss market right now. Does this all make sense? The one thing we don't have right now is very easy to explain. It's just the buy-ins, right? Now, here's the deal. I think this is something that a lot of people need to understand. They are buying a lot of XRP or the stablecoin RLUSD. This is great for the XRP ledger because all of this trade will be on the XRP ledger no matter what, right? The fact that it's on the XRP ledger means that it will always use XRP in a roundabout way, adding more value to the community over time. I also believe it will go off very quickly. One thing I do know is that institutions will not all use XRP, but some of them have recently come to light. A lot of them are going to use RLUSD. We know for sure this to be true. That makes some people angry. No, they believe that everyone should use XRP. But I don't agree. I believe that in places where rules aren't clear, we'll be better off if we can cut into that market share if XRP isn't in the picture. And the xrp+ripple team will have to buy a lot of XRP and keep it, no matter if they use RLUSD or XRP. So we'll be taking care of these institutions in some way. The XRP record will hold everything, and this will all help our ecosystems grow. But when institutions buy a lot of XRP, there isn't enough XRP to go around. This is because retail and decentralized finance builders are putting huge amounts of capital into the markets, which has never been seen before. There is also the monetary cycle, with interest rates going down to zero, which is very likely to happen in 2025, and possibly even quantitative easing or the money printer turning back on. I don't think these kinds of crypto pumps will ever happen again. I really don't think there will be anything like this in the history of Bitcoin, Solana, or any other cryptocurrency. Some of these cryptos went up more than 100x, so that says a lot, right? Is this really going to happen this month? I don't think so. Is it possible that it will happen in January or February 2025? Yes, definitely. So you need to get ready for that. You need to get ready for that. You need to get ready for the huge amount of money you can make. Besides that, I believe that each of you should have 15,000 XRP. You need to buy more XRP if you don't have enough. Your time is closing, so you need to find a way to buy more. The trade is leaving the stop. You can see what XRP has been doing over the last few months here. It's doing better than Bitcoin, right? And that is a very strong sign that the altcoin run of the century is about to happen. This happened in 2021. It's going to happen again in 2025. The only thing that's different now is that there are a lot more bucks moving around. China is making money. Most likely the US will start making money. We won't know what to do with all the money that the European Union is going to print. That cash needs to go somewhere now. There was a lot of it that went into crypto, as we saw last time. I hope you're all ready for that. I am sure of it. I want to tell you something that will help you make money quickly. Start a short position on XRP and make money like I did. Bitcoin is also a great stock to short right now, and in the short run, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are all great stocks to short. In the next week or so, there will likely be a pullback. After that, things will likely get better, and I will start taking long positions. However, let's get ready and open these shorts together. Let's make a lot of money together. Also, if you're going to do it, make sure you sign up for Margex so that you can enter this trade contest. Guys, let's just make that money together. I love all of you. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Also, subscribe to March. See you next time.